Okay, cumulative frequency. The first thing they may ask you to do is complete a cumulative frequency table. So here we have it. This is our table and this is our cumulative frequency table. So, how many customers collected 20 or less points? Well, that's 4. 40 or less points? Well, that's this one and this one, so it's 16. Less than or equal to 60 points? Well, that's all of those 16 plus the additional 34, 50. And less than or equal to 80 is going to be those 50 plus the additional 10 to get 60. Make sure that it adds up to the right total, which this one does. Okay, the next thing they might ask you to do is to draw a cumulative frequency diagram from your table. So, these are the points we're going to plot. 20 across, 4 up. Then we're going to do 40 across, 16 up. Then 60 across, 50 up. And finally, 80 across, 60 up. Okay, the graph should look like a stretched out S. If it doesn't, you've gone wrong somewhere. Right. The last thing they might ask you to do is to find some statistics. So they could ask you to find the median. To do this, look at what your total was out of. So on this one it was 60. Be careful because some of the graphs will go up further. Halfway up for your median, across and down, reading this off, the median is 48. They might ask you to find the lower quartile. Quartile sounds like quarter. So a quarter of the way up, so a quarter of 60 is 15. Across and down, the lower quartile is 39. And finally the upper quartile, 3/4 of the way. So up 3/4, across and down, the upper quartile is 56. Now the last mark will go for finding the interquartile range, the IQR. To find the interquartile range, it's the upper quartile, take away the lower quartile to get this answer. Make sure you write these values out. In case you've made an error up here, you'll get a follow-through mark.